Hi guys, I'm back today and I hope everyone's doing really good. Yet again the lighting is really off where I am. I'll just see if I can get some... That's a bit better. So I'm just drinking my cider. It's Friday night, so I thought I'd treat myself. So today I want to show you a eyeshadow look which I absolutely adore lately, and I wanted to take you through some of my makeup, what I really enjoy at the minute, what hasn't worked so well, and yeah, just have a little chit chat, to be honest. So I don't understand why the lighting is just not 100% at all. So just having a look through my makeup bag and just seeing, you know, what I have, what I really enjoy at the minute, and I've come up with some, you know, some really good, you know, pieces of makeup that I really like. So first of all, I've used a lot of expensive I can't find the word, foundations. I'll show you. I have the Rihanna one here, which is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. That is literally amazing. I've used this for such a long time, but I have run out. So I've been trying out, you know, different kind of foundations. But this is in shade 150, and I did have the 170, but it was slightly too dark for me. But this is just something else. Love this one. The formula is so thin and it just glides on. Really love this one. Then I have the Chanel Lait Beige. I can't say words. This is quite thick. It's a bit darker than what I am now, because I used to be really tanned. I used to just go in the sunbeds all the time. Haven't used this too much, but you know, love, from what I remember anyway, but it's slightly too thick and it does smell a bit funky. Then obviously the Air Flash, which is absolutely unreal. I did a makeup tutorial on this. Love this one. Then I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which unreal. It does smell like cement. Very strong smell, very chemically, but this is so thick. It's just unreal. 1 second. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. So, by the way, I'm wearing this H&M sweater today, which I absolutely adore, and my Adidas leggings, which I literally will wear every day of the week. I probably will get, you know, cremated. I'll not live without these trousers. Yeah, everyone should go get a pair. So, on a tangent again, where was I? I don't know what it is when I make videos. I can't breathe because I talk so much. I like wind myself out, so I'm like gasping for breath. Drink. I love this. Botanicals Peach Basil. Amazing. But yeah, I find having to catch my breath. It's like, oh, yeah, the Double Wear. Was I talking about the Double Wear? Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah. Again, I've lost where I am. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, this is, yeah, good. Move on, Fabio. God. So I've been using the Makeup Revolution stick, which is just everywhere at the minute, and this is just so... First of all, I tried it, and I do have oily skin, and I thought it was very oily, obviously. But the more I tried it, the better it just goes on my skin. If you wear it with a setting powder, it's amazing. But I suffer with a lot of creasing in my forehead, so it doesn't really... I'm wearing it today, but it's not too bad, but it's not the best. But this will do until I get the trusty Fenty back. So, yeah, that's foundation wise. Primer, I always used to use the infallible mattifying base. This is the only thing that doesn't make my skin oily when I put it on, because 9 times out of 10 these kind of things make my skin really, really oily. So that really drives me insane. So, but I haven't been using this. I've actually been using the, and I actually don't know where I put it. I'm just gonna have a look. Yeah, I have the, I love my hair at the minute. The ringlets are really on trend at the second. I can't speak. I literally can just speak crap when I talk. It fucking drives me insane. So annoying. Right, so I have the mattifying primer here. This is from Primark. It's a really, really good store, large store in England. This is just amazing. It's like, don't know how much it is, £3, and it's just so good. The formula is really thick, and obviously blends really, really well. And this is really, really good actually. Really good at it. Really good at the minute. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm starting to drive myself crazy. So yeah, why am I doing this? I don't know. Right, so yeah, that's great. Right, so now I have the Goof Poo. Oh my god, I need another drink. The Goof Proof brow pencil, which is absolutely amazing. I use this for my eyebrows. The little spoolie brush, love that. This is shade 3, so this is like brown. Oh. I have been thinking about dyeing my eyebrows like a lighter colour because I'm obviously blonde. And yes, I will be getting these roots done. They're absolutely horrendous. I'm going to wait till my sister's wedding done, so not too long to wait. Love that. Then, obviously, yeah, we're not going to talk about this. I've literally spoken about this forever. It's the Mr. Brow Filler, which is insane. Then, what else do I love? Obviously, the Shape Tape. You can't go wrong with the Shape Tape. It's just, this is in light. I absolutely love this, and it smells really nice. Really sweet. Oh, this is amazing. This took me about a month to get my hands on because it's sold out everywhere. I have this 17 blush, which I'm wearing today. So basically, there's a little sponge, and then you just pat on your face like that, and then rub. It's a tiny bit of, I think it's rouge, whatever people call it. It's called the blush. It's a blusher. Yeah, it's a blush. Honestly. Right, so this is really cute. Then on to, oh, I also have the Benefit brow setter. So, you know, if your eyebrows are really like out of, you know, unruly, this is just a gel, you know, to put this on your eyebrows. I don't really use this, but, you know, it's in my bag, so I'll show you it. That's that. The brushes I use, this is the Real Techniques, the bronzing brush. No, actually add a bit more. I feel like I need it. Yeah, so this is great for doing blush. Now I look like I have an orange forehead. Oh, God. Right, so yeah, that one is amazing. Then I also have this, it's unbranded. This I used to do my setting powder. Love that. Obviously the Morphe Kabuki brush, which is really, really amazing. I have switched back to using my sponge from a foundation because I do think this foundation works better with a sponge. For highlighter, I have the Morphe fan brush. which is amazing. It gets, you know. So this is the Makeup Revolution Strobe Lighting palette, which is that one here. And I've been using this shade and that shade, and mixed together, I think it creates an amazing glow. Yeah, love this. Also the Jeffree Star one that I've always gone about, which is amazing. And that is pretty much it at the minute for my beauty favourites. Lips, I don't really wear lips. Well, I've got the Jeffree Star lips, but lately I've just been feeling a gloss lip with, you know, the red gloss lip, which is this one. I think it's really just effortless and just, you know, not too much thought. So this is great. So that's that for my beauty favourites. So now I'm going to go on to my eyes. I want to do kind of orangey, smoky eye, which I have done in the past. But I have this amazing metallic in this palette. It smells like lemonade. Like, if I can get it open. That's the palette here. And there's lots of shades. There's Old Fashioned, Ice Pop, Strawberry Lemonade, Berry Ice, Sherbet Citrus, Sweet Tea, Main Squeeze, Sunny's, Lemonade Craze, Coral Punch, and Sugar Coated. And I love this. I love this palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like I'm going to use there's no oranges in here. I might have to go to on my Morphe palette. So I'm going to use scrap that. We'll go for a smoky kind of eye. So I'm going to use this colour here, and then use the metallic shade of the other palette. So I'm just going to use this as a mirror because I can't bother to get the other one. So I'm just going to use, you can't see, the shade that I picked, and just use some of that on my eyelid. Go round. Like that. And on the other eye. These are going to be like a smoky metallic eye, which I think looks amazing. I think will go really well with this green jumper. Like that. Just a slight bit more. Like this. And you can see that. Then I'm going to use a dome brush like this. This is just an unbranded one, and just do the bottom. Like that. Just for some smoky eye underneath. And then I'm going to go in with the metallic shade, which is this sugar coated one here. It's a beautiful bronze. I don't know if you can see on there. It swatches better than it. Love this. I'm going to just pack this all in my eye. Need the beauty blender actually to wipe away. These just oh, I'm just looking in there, there's no mirror. Just to wipe away the excess. the beauty blender. And then underneath. And there we have it. That's just a quick, smoky, metallic eye. I think looks amazing. I don't think you can actually see very much because of where I am. Something quick, you know, every day, wear to work, you know, put together, but you know, not going through the you know, the hassle of putting so much eyeshadow on. So there we have it. That's just a quick, you know, quick eyeshadow video. Few favourites there. I'm really excited for the week coming. I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow and the day after. There's going to be some unboxing videos. I've just bought some amazing stuff. Yeah, really exciting. Thank you for sticking by with me through you know, my YouTube journey so far. I really appreciate your support. So yeah, cheers. Everyone should get this. Please turn your notification bell on to be notified on my next video, and also comment, like the video, and leave any suggestions of anything you'd like me to do in the future. Please subscribe too if you've not said it already. I'll see you in my next video, and yeah, bye guys.